Oasis Busch Gardens, newest ride. It opens tomorrow. Take a look at it. It's a mini drop tower, kind of a spring drop tower. How many seats are there? 7, so 14 total riders, 7 on each side. There's the screen. We're gonna get it going. Automatically drops, as you can see from our mirror right there. And it has a little seat belt latch. We latch that. He's gonna come around and check, and then we're gonna get on this ride. Kind of up and down, bouncing around. Got a nice TV screen here for you to enjoy. Hey! We go way up this time. Woo! Woo! Oh, it's kind of hurt the jerky. And that's it as we settle back down to earth. We're going to see the other side. It opens tomorrow, July 15th. Tomorrow. Everybody enjoy it. I'll sit you around a little bit, like and subscribe.